Hey everybody, I just want to show you how to do this wave simulation. And really it is just to mess around with these simulations. The first thing to do is open up the website at the link. So click on this. And then you'll see in a second that there's 3 different simulations: water, sound, and light. And really all of them will help you understand the question, which is what is amplitude and what is frequency? So I'm just going to click on the water one first. And then the only tricky thing is that you have to press this green button to make it start, and that starts the dripping. Ooh. All right. So the water's dripping. Now, oh, there's frequency and amplitude. That's actually what you're supposed to be figuring out by messing around. So I'm going to change the frequency. Looks like it changes how often the water drips. And then the waves are spread farther apart. Okay. Now I'll leave the frequency down, and then let me change the amplitude. I'm going to max it out. Okay, I couldn't really tell the difference. Maybe if I go minimum. Oh, that's 0. Nothing. Interesting. So minimum means no. Or 0 means no drip. Oh, wow. Those are tiny drops. Okay. Oh, it looks like I can turn a graph on too. Oh, so look at those waves when it's tiny. The frequency is still really low, so the waves are really spread apart. And if I increase the frequency, okay, the waves get closer together, but they're still short because the amplitude is low. But they're still not tall. So then if I change the amplitude to max, whoa, it's like it's splashing harder into the water and making bigger waves. Okay. I'm actually gonna pause this, and then definitely check out the other simulations. But then part 2 of this is to go into the frequency and amplitude definitions. So frequency, okay, let me remember what that was. Frequency was how often it dripped and kind of how close those waves were. So I have to come up with a definition. So frequency is how often the water drips. And on the graph shows by waves being close together when it is more frequent. Okay, that's exactly what I saw on the simulation, and I just typed it in as my definition. It doesn't have to be a dictionary definition or something that's searched up. It's just what you think from messing around. And then I need to draw a picture. So maybe I'll get my scribble tool. There's a scribble. And now I'm going to do, this will be a high frequency because that's a lot of waves. And this will be low frequency. Uh-oh, is it working? Try again. There it goes. And then I'm going to use the text tool. High frequency. And then control copy, control paste. This one is low frequency. I'll put this up here. So that's how you do it. And then for amplitude, type of definition based on what you said. What you saw. Let's see. The amplitude changed with the size of the water drops. Bigger drops made bigger waves on the graph. And so then I can come and do my sketch down here again. I'll get my scribble tool. Oh, there we go. And so I'm going to have just short little waves. And then I'm going to have tall waves, even though there's still about the same frequency. About. And then I could use these text boxes again. I'm just going to copy this, Command C, Command V. So this is low amplitude. And this is high amplitude. Okay, cool. So I did that kind of quick. If you're going to do this, you should definitely go back and check out the other simulations so then you can improve your own definition of frequency and amplitude based on what you learn in the, let's see, go back to the simulations. I'm just going to try the back button, see if that works. Oh, they're down here, sound. So now I'm going to mess around with the sound. It looks like it's got the same stuff. And there's some tones that we can play. We can do graph and tone. Let's see what that. Okay, similar, but now things are changing. All right, I'm going to pause that. I should add this to my definition, and so should you. I'm going to do that on mine while you get started on your simulations and definitions. All right, everybody, we'll see you on the internet.